So, Naveen, as I informed, when the team was full flash work, so I will share my. hmm, I'm sharing my. Uh, I will share my last plan, which was
Okay.
executed. Okay,
Mm-hmm.
uh, and then we'll move to design what we covered, final design as well as the wireframe. Okay,
Okay.
so I'm coming on this part. So we released all UAT last time, released UAT 3. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
UAT 4 we want to release, but after that um, something happened and it went off. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
So the development point, if I'm saying admin part, our role was completed. Provider was completed. So how to adding a role and how to assign a role to someone. That part was there. Provider, how you assign a provider, and there is a lots of inputs came during the last call with the coach. That
Mm-hmm.
was not implemented because it was not documented. Okay. But their concern was good. So that confirmation I haven't get that, so that's why that part is not implemented. Whatever the design part, it is implemented. Users part, I can say it was completed almost 80%. Not, I'm not telling 100% is completed. It is 80% it was completed. So that's why we was not released for the UAT testing. Similarly, here this is for the on-active root level login, root level menus. I'm coming on the part of the provider.
This is
So,
all web.
sorry,
This is all web, is it?
this is for the admin part. Web. Yeah.
Hmm.
So again, provider data, there is no discussion happened. What is the requirement? What is the requirement? Not there. So no, was not started. Users, it is quite similar like a role. Uh, Here again, role is quite similar like that root role. Reports, we took a very least priority because until unless our other things will not ready, we can't do. Activities we had completed. I can say 90%, not 100%. Because there is a registration template and all that discussion was pending. So if you left this part, then activity was ready, group set was ready, group was in progress. AOD we completed. Okay. And then AOD
Mm-hmm.
schedule was not completed, feedback template was not completed. This two part was still pending on that. Template part, like if you want to save an activity template or if you want to save that one AOD template, that part also it was completed. So
Can you
suppose
do me a favor? Can you scroll up
uh,
fully
hmm,
and go to view?
view.
Ah,
Okay.
and click on freeze panes.
Okay, okay. That part.
Only the top row you freeze.
Uh, okay.
Ah, that's it. Yes.
So
And when you say, for me this specific call and context,
hmm,
whatever I see done in column G, you at release 4, is that,
yeah.
or you at release 5 is the latest?
No, no. You at release 5, we are planning, but it was not happened.
Okay, so whatever is done in you at release 4,
Hmm.
is my assumption that the code and UI and your testing content is all ready in your control.
Yes, you can say only the part of you done part, not for the red
Ha.
and the or yellow part.
Okay.
Okay. So this part also I kept it orange because I told like there is some registration template was not happened. I'm just keeping it. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
So here Pugmark request, promo code and user type and discount. So this two part was fully tested.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, on that time. Uh, it is completely ready. Pugmark request is also ready. Pugmark statement, there is a add Pugmark and all. It was in progress, so that's why it was in progress. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
Similar, if we can go with the leaderboard, result, race, and activity leaderboard, these all three parts ready. Email template we kept ready. Then wishes, FAQ, term and condition was ready. Event is almost similar of this activity. Okay. So
Okay.
this is as discussed with Ajay. Ajay told like we have a two types of event. Like one is free and another one is the paid one. So both we consider it, and that is also integrated. So there is a less item of the activity. The template is almost similar.
Mm-hmm.
And coming on the settings, location was completed. Uh,
What is wishes? Is that birthday wishes under
Yeah,
communication?
birthday wishes. See, right now in your chat, it was only birthday wishes. But
Mm-hmm.
we configured our wishes like you can put, like suppose somebody is running a yoga, International Yoga Day, birthday wishes, and Independence Day, Republic Day, that kind of wishes they can make and they can put that. This is a global message you can put on the group.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. So current system have only one type of wishes. There is only one
Okay.
day wishes. Okay. So we
Mm-hmm.
make it a configurable here. You can put a wishes multiple time. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
So FAQ was ready. Term and condition was ready. FAQ, FAQ. There is only adding part is ready. So people are working on that update and delete also. So previously only the FAQ. So new FAQ they can add and old FAQ they can also add. Like old, there is a list of things, right? So if
Mm-hmm.
you choose a training program, then based on that training program you can add a FAQ. So this is a uh, old list item, but something you haven't find on the drop down. If you want to
Mm-hmm.
add new things, so we are providing add a new type of FAQ. So you can enter the title based on that question and answer. So that you can also do. So that item also was ready. Only the update and delete part we are working right
Oh, can you mention that in the comment somewhere on the right?
now. I'm keeping as a in progress better.
Ha.
Otherwise, it will be a confusion.
Yes, yes.
Okay.
Yes. Whatever is marked as done, we'll deem that to be 100% complete.
Yeah. Yeah. So again, I'm telling I I'm just stopping our release because after starting these things, I am doing another round of testing also. So there is a lot. There is a bug we are finding, and that bug we are solving it. And once all those done item is ready, then I will publish to the URL so that you can use it. Okay,
Mm-hmm.
this is my plan actually. At least whatever we implement, that should be a ready. This is my actual plan. Location, that is location, training location you can add for various city, various location. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
Predefined string, it is a similar concept, whatever we have in an existing system. Suppose and person name, so you know that it will fetch a name, and person fee, it will fetch a fee. That kind of predefined string settings are. Unique ID, it is a new concept. It is that requirement came from Ajay.
Mm-hmm.
So Ajay told like unique ID should be different for the every year. So he given a one example. Suppose BAC Bangalore Athlete Academy is there. His that unique code will be BAC. SC 2018 means summer camp 2018, 2018 year, and the other variable 2, it is kind of anything like 0001, 4 times 0 and 1, so that they can start from there. Every company have a on target. Suppose last year they have 1,000 runners or 1,000 swimmers. Maybe 2021 they have a target 10,000. So they can put up based on that variable 4 times 9 or 5 times 9. Sorry, 5 digit. Based on that, it will be started. So there is a business logic also available on the technical doc. So this part is also ready. Distance, again similar, like you can define a distance along with the hours or minutes.
So unique ID structure, can you just put that in the column O?
Column
O.
O.
Next to assignee name, huh?
For example, okay, that
yeah, prefix and suffix.
Yeah, 18 also 1. So here,
what is BSc again?
I'm just describing. I'm giving a comments here. Okay. You can say company or provider, whatever you can say.
Okay.
So now I think clear. Now you clear? What is the Unicode variable 1, variable 2?
Okay.
Okay.
Yep.
Okay.
Now what happens? No. So okay. I mean, random question. What happens if this guy, let's say he's a JJ runner, okay? He wants to sign up with, while he's running with JJs, he wants to start a swimming course with Nisha Millet or someone else. Then will you have two identities in the system?
If there is a 2 different provider, then this Unicode will be 2 different ones. So it is provider based. Suppose JJS is providing a swimming activity, then that BSc, instead of BSc, it will come JJS. But JJS is not providing, then whatever this provider will provide a swimming, they will provide that Unicode will. So basically this funda is, suppose if you want to get a report in terms of finance, in terms of enrollment and all those stuff, you can easily find out in this enrollment how many people was enrolled. For example, SC 2021 I'm keeping. Okay. So right now it's a March month. So April I want to see. So from January to April, I want to see how many people are enrolled on this particular Unicode. And there is a lots of business validation. Business validation one is if that code is created and if somebody's are joined, at least one person also joined with this code, means there is automatically assigned. Once he register and it will automatically assign on this code, then you can't remove, you can't update. You can suspend, but you can't remove and you can't update. If you want to suspend also on that scenario, you need to add a new Unicode. It should be available on the system. Otherwise, it will not allow to suspend. So multiple business logic is there. There is a time, there is a limit. Suppose I created this one, this Unicode, until 1 day, 2 day, 1 week, no one joined. Okay. If there is no single entry, you can remove, you can update. you can suspend also. But at least one entry should be present in the database. It will not allow you to update or not allow you to remove.
Okay.
Okay, so this kind of business logic already implemented. So these are the business logic given from my side. It is not verified from the Agile.
Hmm.
Okay,
Okay.
because as per my business understanding, I kept it this business logic. Maybe I'm wrong and maybe I'm correct.
ठीक है.
Okay. So
Okay.
now I'm coming on the distance. So distance, you know, like we in our system there is a 10K, 20K, something like that. So that distance you can define and you can put the time and hours.
These are setting screen.
These are the settings.
So distance will become like a foundation.
Foundation of the activity.
Okay. 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 Just
Distance,
okay.
location, predefined settings, simple
Foundation
image,
data.
all those the foundation of this.
Okay.
Okay. Uh, Query, it was not decided. Activity type also we haven't kept it ready. There you have an option. You can add an activity or you can remove activity. I think UI was ready. Development was not ready. So UI was ready. So you can put suppose if you want to keep football example
Hmm.
you want to introduce, then you can put a football over there and you can put a football icon over there. So it once you submit,
Hmm.
it will automatically for that particular provider that icons and that you can add an activity also.
Okay.
So these are the settings they can show. I suppose by default we are giving a 13 activity over there, but they just don't want. They just want only running, cycling, and gym. So they can
Hmm.
remove all those, or they can suspend all those, and only three they can put. So these are the things you can control from here.
Hmm.
E-commerce part we haven't touched. Then login, forget password, and reset password. It was almost.
E-commerce only the UI or wireframes are ready, right?
Yes, no, e-commerce on website part was ready. Admin part we haven't. Admin part, yeah, admin part few wireframes was ready, not for the development. It was not went to the development
Okay.
because
And
our
when you say
uh,
video is yes, what does it mean? The requirement
that
video is yes.
recording video. Because now we are want to know which are the video we have.
Huh.
So that list I give it to her.
Okay.
Okay. So this seat is for you, me,
Hmm.
and my development people also.
Okay.
Okay.
And when you said tech doc, it's done by Girish, not Girish, sorry,
Utkarsh.
Utkarsh.
Yes.
Okay. So, okay.
So here login is ready. Forget password and reset password. It was not tested. It is ready, but it is not tested.
Hmm.
Account lock is also not tested. These all three already ready, but it is not tested. That's why it is keeping as a no. Okay. Dashboard, report, services, these all are common. Onka bytes, article and blogs are ready. Runner's corner, we don't have an idea what it is. So it is not ready.
Okay. Now, next step is what you're going to show me.
One second, hold on, Naveen. Hello. Yes. Not interested. Thank you. Yeah, Naveen. Sorry.
So, how do you want to go next? You want to show me each as we proceed one at a time, filter it all by done.
Mm, you see here, if you see the seat, I think it is available for all of you. You can go there. And also, if I click on this, I remember all those link, all of you have access. If it is not, then I need to
Let me
I
check.
will provide
Last
you.
time I had tried, it didn't work. It was some time ago. Let me try again. Hold on. You're looking at admin final design or admin wireframe.
One second.
And all the wireframes are final versions, right?
All
Oh,
the
you put the status anyways. Yes, I see it. There is a status.
So the thing is, I want to tell whatever we have things like software and all, it is a license. Even we purchase a Microsoft license version, we purchase this one also a license. We are working on the license version only. There's no fee. See, you have access.
Yeah, I'm just checking this what.
So this is a okay. Leave it. You can check later. We can go ahead with one by one.
Mm.
So this is the page of Onka Active landing page.
Mm.
For normal visitors, means a normal visitor in the sense they haven't logged in.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so using like this IP address, it will fetch a location automatically. Okay.
So let's do one thing. Let's, in the interest of time, right, go back to that Excel sheet, the first one that you were showing, displaying.
Hmm.
Not this one, the plan.
Okay.
So now, UI ready. My mapping, if I have to compare this sheet, it means whatever is done in UI ready column.
This is a admin first of all. The admin. What I showed a design, that is a website.
Is that here in this sheet?
In this sheet, it is there. Final and wireframe.
Neither. Go back to the other one. Other Excel.
Okay.
So my question is, so this is admin, and then there are other components like the web app and mobile app. Correct. Click on mobile app tab. This is also like a plan, just like the admin, right? And for web app, other than admin, do you have any sheet?
Web app also it is there. See, this one is the web app only.
Okay, this is provider specific only.
Provider also, and I think there is a Onka also. Second. And this is for a Onka. This is for Onka. And
That will help.
Onka website, I'm just keeping so that it will be easy.
Yes.
So here one thing I'm just updating. Actually, our website was ready, too much ready, in the older design, older but there we got a few major technical error in terms of some plugins. So we changed that plugins, and then complete new template we was integrated. This is the status of the new one, not for the old one. Old we integrated like Razorpay and all those stuff, but new one that was not. So we
Okay,
have a
so
both backup. We have a both of backup.
okay, so whichever we're gonna use,
New one always we will
new one.
give a new one.
So the status has to reflect what is there in the new one.
Yes.
Okay, and wherever you're saying UI ready, in all these tabs, this has to map to the UI UX sheet somewhere or the other. So all dones should be equal to the number of URLs in the UI UX Excel sheet, correct?
Here UI ready. I'm telling one thing.
Mm-hmm.
UI ready is not related to what is this seat also. Okay, because here if you want to say here only 3 and here 3 pages was there, right?
Okay.
So but if you go on the wireframe, there's a lots of things. So if you see the design or see the here final design here, so the color code and all those stuff it is finalized. So I think if you remember on that time Navya was there on the call. I told I will not make it a colorful because already we have a color code and all those stuff. So same theme we are going ahead. So whatever the wireframe because 5 to 6 item is ready. So rest item we can took as a same pattern and we will implement that. So this UI ready means it is ready for a development, not as a wireframe.
Okay. Can you elaborate? I'm not sure if I understand. When you say UI ready, what is ready? If for development means?
Uh, there's a two part, Naveen. I'm explaining. One is UI, another is UX. Okay. So UI and you like there is a design and there is a HTML part. So this UI is for HTML part. UX is this part. Actually, terminology as per the standard, it is ulta. It's a UX basically because UX always in a coding part and UI is in a design. Okay. Still confused?
No, no. So if I have to validate work done on this, how do I do it is what I'm thinking.
Few part you can validate from this list and few part once it is live then you can validate. Or if you tell me then I will convert all those stuff in a final and then I will give it to you. That I can do, but I need a time for that.
Okay. ठीक है. So then go back to that Excel. The other one. Yeah, the plan one. And now,
One second. क्या लजत? हाँ. वो गलत है ना? या तो मर्ज सही से नहीं हुआ कोड या फिर नहीं वहां पे तुम्हारा एक प्रॉब्लम मैंने तुमको क्या बताया था नोड मॉड्यूल कभी भी उन दोनों के बाहर नहीं मैंने उस समय ध्यान नहीं दिया हुआ है मैंने बोला 3000 फाइल्स आ रहा है तुम्हारा चेक इन करने के लिए आना ही नहीं चाहिए जब 4-5 फाइल ही होना था वहाँ तो वो 3000 फाइल्स एक्चुअली स्क्रिप्ट में हम लोगों ने लिखा नहीं है कि अगर सर्वर पे डालेंगे तो वो उसको इग्नोर करेगा इग्नोर में नहीं लिखा हुआ आज मैंने वो अभी अभी मैंने उसको डाल दिया कि अगर बाहर भी किसी ने नोड मॉड्यूल डाला तो वो लेगा नहीं वो करके मैंने चेक इन करा तभी मैंने बोला तुम लेटेस्ट लो और उसको फिक्स करके दो ठीक है हाँ क्लाइंट के अंदर ही करना ग्लोबली नहीं करना हम्म 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 मतलब तुम क्या बोल रहे हो कि अगर पैकेज में एंट्री करने के बाद भी वो इंस्टॉल नहीं कर रहा है हाँ हम्म 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 ठीक है, वो फिक्स करो उसको। हाँ, वो खुद से होना चाहिए, फिक्स करके दो कि वो किसी काम का नहीं है मेरे लिए। ठीक है। सॉरी ना। हाँ। हम्म तो अभी अब जैसे ये वाला है होम पेज, रजिस्टर यूजर, इसका डिजाइन मिलेगा, इसका जो डिजाइन है वो मिल जाएगा। ठीक है, फॉर एग्जांपल ये मैंने ओपन किया है, तो ये नॉन रजिस्टर्ड के मतलब नॉर्मल यूजर के लिए यहाँ पे अगर आप जाएंगे तो फाइनल डिजाइन लॉग्ड इन यूजर, ये वाला है।
So do me a favor for standardization purpose, no, and mapping sake, either you put these URLs
on that
directly in that Excel so
okay.
that there's one place, or you rename the current tabs in this one equivalent to these module name and tab name.
ठीक है, I'm doing one thing because this is my raw file. I'm just making a copy.
Yeah.
What I can say, old status can I keep, or what I can?
Or the plan.
Plan, it is not a plan, because plan I will give it, that is separate. That is a plan, when it will be completed, that and all will be separate.
So just put it as a project tracker. Project progress tracker. On का active डाल दो OA or something, so you can, it's easy for you to recognize. OA, हाँ.
Correct. Things I need to.
Okay, so that way we'll know which one is what. It's easy to validate and check and make changes if there's any. Secondly, I want to see from your dev point of view the working UAT modules for each of these done. So before we get there, I'll place you on mute and be back in a second. Huh? Deepak, I'm back. Sorry. Deepak, you're on mute if you're talking.
Sorry. I'm just trying to run, if it is possible, it is admin part. Because I got some error, that's why I haven't started. So if you want to see, I'm just telling you, if you want to see on the server, you need to wait for some time, because I told like I need to figure it out. I'm doing myself as a testing. So once it is done, then I will put on the server so that you can easily test. Otherwise, if I will put a row code and if you're not able to add something or not able to, that is not good. It's right. So that's the reason I'm waiting for my team should be ready. Once new team, 2% already joined, and few more person is in pipeline to join. So once everyone join, and during this time, I'm not waiting for that. Everybody will be joined and then start working on that. So whatever the people were joined, they already start working on it. So total 3 full-time resource I took. One is already there previously when our project was running continuously, but she is on leave till this week, 22nd onwards available. And 2 guys, he recently joined, and 4 to 5 modules they fixed almost major issues for the small.
So anything on this call, are we able to
I'm trying if it is possible, if I will able to show, because time just now I received a call, I got an error, they were checked in.
Okay.
I'm finding there is maybe because of this it is, if it is not, then it may work.
Okay.
Sometime.
Yes, because that will be critical. You understand that the whole confusion from both sides is one that we don't know what the work, how much work is done, and from your side is that how can we give you clear requirements and clarity on the way forward.
So I heard like Naveen, whatever say, I got this error, and that's the reason I told. I'm not sure it will work on. I can show if you want to see only the design part. I can show you the design few of the places we have. If you're able to, if you want
Go
to.
ahead. Go ahead.
Okay. During this one, I'm just asking. I heard like that mobile app design. As I told, like it was not impressive. They don't like actually.
No. So there is we had a good discussion around what should be the approach.
Still, it is available on the Play Store. If you want, you can download and you can see. Till the time
I've seen. I still have it on my phone. So that screen is for users who have not signed up with anyone.
Yes.
So ideally, the primary screen or the mode of installation for any user is that the partner is going to give them the QR code to install the app or a passcode. Okay, so if they have a QR code,
Mm-hmm.
QR code will have the vendor identity
Mm-hmm.
or a partner identity, which will pass on to the Play Store or iPhone. I don't know if iPhone does that, but I believe in Android it's possible.
Mm-hmm.
The app with the partner screen will launch after the login or installation.
Last discussion, what was there with the PR and Ajay?
Mm-hmm.
Uh, Ajay want like we can open and we can choose the service provider, but PR wants every provider have a on app.
Correct.
So if
No.
suppose
They'll not have a unique independent app, each person, each partner.
this one is a change. Previously, what our discussion was happened.
Okay.
Every provider have a own app. It will be available on the Play Store. And how they can download? They can download through the website. And suppose if you hit on the URL oncaactive.com, automatically it will fetch your location. Based on that location, if that particular location some other provider is there, automatically it will redirect it to that particular website. And there you can have an option, download your mobile app, or you can once you put a mobile number, it will come to your message. This is the one way. Another way, in a Google Play Store, they will tell you this provider have a mobile app, so you can put a provider name and that mobile app will be available and you can download. This is the discussion was happened last. This QR code and all, it was introduced, I think, after this, so that I was not aware. So based on that, I created first that Onka active part and Onka provider. I'm just taking only one provider. This is called JJS. Based on that, whatever the JJS, I was kept it. Okay. So if there is a change, then definitely
So I'll
that
tell
I was.
you, there are two ways, and we can further deliberate on this. That's okay.
Okay.
What we are thinking is, one, we have that QR code concept, right, which passes the partner ID directly and directly installs the tenant tenant skin. Though the app will be one, tenant skin will be multiple. And either that, if that is not working out, then we will be downloading the app, and each partner will have a code. So the landing screen of the app will have a field where they need to enter a code. If they say I do not have a code, skip, then it may take them to the common user screen. Else, it will take them to the this thing.
Okay, that is a
Partner
different setting.
specific
We
screen.
can do that. That is a different setting. If there is a one single app and other things will be coming, that is also fine. Only the thing is we need to find out the data how we need to manipulate, because the right now concept is our provider have a different subdomain, correct? So JJS oncaactive.com, oncaactive.com. Other one, suppose I am just become a provider, then they will take .oncaactive.com. I have a different URL. So my database is also in a different. My admin screen also different. Website is also, everything is different. Then mobile app, if it is logged in on that particular provider, that we need to figure it out how to get the data from that URL, because our API is same. Whatever we are providing on the website, that the same API we are using for the mobile app. There is no change. Only the change is few feature is not available for the website. Few feature extra is in mobile. Okay. Okay, I'm coming back to my point. This is my older code, which is not stable right now, but still I can still do. Whatever that in terms of I'm telling a UI ready, I'm taking this part. So this UI ready is this part. So this is called UI ready. Okay. And here I told like provider data is not their services. Users. I told it is. Let me, I will go through on the, for example, unique ID. So this is a unique ID piece. So this UI is there. Once you add a unique ID, you can put a provider like BAC. There is also a bug. This was fixed already. Let's see, 202.221.0. So it is already added. So once you suspend, and once you activate, it will be activated.
Okay.
Okay. So the one screen which is I called unique ID, it is this is the one. Another part is activity type. Yeah, this I told development. I'm not sure it is ready or not, but let me check one more time. Yeah, so here I can put a name. If suppose icon. So this part I haven't tested.
Is it generating any data in the backend?
Yes,
Or is
it is saving on the database.
okay?
So see, it is updated, but I don't know where means we need to see why it is break. I told like this screen was ready, UI is ready, but we haven't tested.
Okay.
Okay. So here, if you suspend, it will reflect on your website, and you can't see that particular. Suppose if you have activity of the gym, okay, there is a few validation also we need to give. Like gym, if you have, you can't add a similar activity in the, again. So this kind of functionality is not implemented. So that we need to.
Click on view and update for either one. You're adding no. Show me update.
It is updating. Now it is updated.
Oh, okay, okay, okay. Click on view and update again. Okay. Yeah, there is. It is not very. Okay. I got you.
Means UI you don't like.
Because if you say view and update, it means when I click on this, I should view Zumba or any other properties.
Here now that I told this like this was is not
something is
tested
not right.
properly.
Correct.
Yeah. So this kind of small bug is still in this one. Rest all those they are fixed. For example, here distance and all. So distance you can add a distance. So suppose I am keeping a what's it 25 kilometer. Here is a bug. If you click on this, you can get you can't get 0, 0. So there is a bug. So that also we fix.
Hold on.
Okay.
1 moment.
So this one is added.
Second.
Are you listening or?
Oh, hold on. I'm saying just give me a second.
Okay.
Go ahead again. Sorry.
So I added this 10 wala about 10 kilometer. Again, I'm
good.
adding some other. You tell me 50 kilometer.
Okay. So it's 4 hours.
So it is automatically added.
So it's HHMMSS, is it?
Yes. hour, minute, and second.
Okay.
Okay.
So if we need to add fractions, it can be added, no?
Yes. Fraction in the sense 0.5 second also.
No, dot after the last two zeros, dot 00.
No, that one it is not.
No, okay.
Is it required?
No, just thinking.
Okay. Yeah, chat setting. That UI is also ready. I'm not sure about that design is ready or means development is ready or so that chat is like what kind of icon will be coming. They are keeping a same icon actually. That is not correct. So
Chat में icon है.
uh, so that chat icon, it is for this one. We have a multiple type of chat: group chat, help desk chat, diva chat, both chat.
Correct. I'm just watching.
Uh,
I'm seeing whether it. Oh yeah, it does.
Sorry.
Currently, it's all JJ's only. You're right. Go ahead.
The different kind of chat, if you creating, it will create your rooms, and based on that rooms. So these are the chat. These chat you can't remove basically. As a concept is, I think Utkarsh was not came on that time, means he was not connected with me. So I think he was not kept it ready a technical document of this one also. So also this part is there is no discussion. So on my business logic, my ideas. So these for chat you can't delete. You can disable it. You can suspend it, but you can't delete. This is by default. You can get for the every provider. Okay, but few chat you can create and update. So for example, I want to create a transgender chat. So you can create a transgender chat. It may be required, it may be, or it may not be. So I can delete that chat. I can make a chat room also.
Okay.
So this kind of features we are supposed to give in.
Click on add.
I'm not sure it will work.
Okay. But this is again just creating. Okay.
If we continue on that time, might be this screen also. Okay, I will not talk the what just happened. And sorry, there is no chart setting. This is a chat.
That makes me hungry.
There is a some issue.
Okay.
Leave it this part. This is not ready. I'm coming on the communication part.
Hold on, one sec.
So it's a very big Naveen. Like it will take time. If you want, I can connect tomorrow also. Like because I told admin part, so many things we already completed as a part of UI as well. Only the thing is we need to do a final testing. Okay. So
The testing part I'm okay with.
UI point of view, so many things are ready.
That's what I want to see. What is at what stage? If I have that idea, then at least I can go back and talk to Jay and the others and tell them how much of this we can leverage, or where are we, how much more work is spending.
And one more thing I'm telling, I did not take this work as as a professional, because one time then Ajay told like you need to think what are the things we need to integrate over there without asking all of you. I kept it. This is my product, and based on that, I kept it on all those ideas. So maybe some new things you can get, which is not available on the documents already. So just keep in mind. For example, chat setting, and the other few things I showed you. So these are on my ideas.
Okay.
So maybe you are feeling it is good, or maybe you are not feeling it is not relevant for all of you. So
No, that's okay. Just the communication settings का सब हो गया क्या?
Settings में लोकेशन वाला ये देख लेते हैं. एक्चुअली इसमें भी इश्यूज था, ये लोग फिक्स कर चुके हैं. आई डोंट नो. तो यहाँ पे कंट्री, आपसे कंट्री सेलेक्ट, अभी फिलहाल ओनली इंडिया के लिए हम लोगों ने एक्टिवेट किया था, और कंट्री के लिए नहीं. स्टेट आप एग्जाम्पल बिहार रख लेता हूँ. ये एक बग है फिर अगेन. कर्नाटका, होसोर का कोड क्या होता है? 3 डिजिट कोड.
एनीथिंग HRS डाल दे. HSR.
HSR डिफरेंट हो जाएगा. HSR ऑलरेडी है.
HOS डाल दे.
हाँ, HOS. Oh, sorry, location name something. We need to keep our location. HOS is
Hosur town डाल दे.
हाँ, Hosur town. And submit. So once you add it, it is automatically update. Suppose I kept it at Tamil Nadu by mistake. And we kept it typing also. Instead of selection, you can type it also. I told there is some issue. Yesterday they added this part. So this part is there. So this is the location part. You can suspend also. You can remove also. So if you are able to see there, here message is wrong. Here space is not there. Small thing, distant, deleted. It is message is wrong. So they are working on this. Small thing. Okay. Account log, I told, if somebody have an account log, admin have a right, so they can put an email ID and they will unblock the account. This is UI is ready, but development is not.
Okay.
Instance I showed predefined string. For example, this is for the state or country. I want to keep a percent name, percent last name. There is a 2 type. This is also my idea. I haven't get that this clarity from anyone. So there is a 2 type: description or value. If you kept it as a value, then runner's name it will be faced in the backend. If it is a description, then it will take a what is the, if suppose somebody is using, then it will be coming as a description. So runner's name, this one will come. So these 2 business logic is there.
No, I didn't get it.
So okay, instead of putting, I'm just keeping a fee. Okay. So here program, if I select a value, then in a registration page which you send it to the users, that fee will be taken as a value. Means
currency will show
whatever the value it is. If you selected a description by mistakenly or intentionally, it will take this description.
Text versus numbers in this case, correct?
Yes. Okay. So submit should contains alphabets. I told remove that percent because sometimes people are not remember.
Correct.
So just keep it a number. So it is added automatically. Prefix it will come like this.
Gotcha.
Okay. So this part is also ready. I'll say don't go on this part. Doing a development, small thing.
It's saying pugmark statement and then strings.
Sample images we haven't discussed it. This is your thought actually. If you remember, if subset of images we have, then we can choose for the any activity or something like that, right? You remember we had a call.
Yes.
So So that part is still not ready in a UI. Unique ID I showed you. Activity type I showed you. Query. This
Queries
query,
are what in this context?
I'm telling. Basically, this is another thing we are providing. This is not a agreement with this project. We are providing support kind of stuff. Suppose somebody's are putting some support related things, or support in the sense like you visited a website or you visited a mobile app. There is a get in touch section over there. I'm showing you this part.
Correct.
So whatever they will code, it will come here. An admin or whatever the person who have access, they can go and they can check what kind of queries is there based on that email ID or mobile number.
This is for the interested users, basically.
You can say. So this is that part, and this is simple data. Don't take it. It is a integrated.
No, this we may have to change the way it is. ठीक है, कोई बात नहीं. For now it is.
Simple data in the sense it is working data on website. Once the website will be launched, they already tested locally, and it is came through the database.
Or tell me something. Is this from the email channel alone, or it is also from the app?
Only for the website and app, not for the email.
Not for the
email channel. Only for the website.
Oh, okay.
Means if you enter something here, it will reflect you here. Otherwise, it won't. Okay. So I think setting parts, instead of one UI, everything is ready. Now I'm coming on the OnCaBytes article. So we have two things. Previously we have only news. Now we have two things: article and blogs. Blogs only for the coach. Articles anyone can write, like admin or anyone can write. So whatever they will write, it will available on this website or mobile app. Okay. So on OnCaBytes, there is a drop down for article and blogs. Okay. So you can add the article title, description, image upload, and all those. For example, test website. If I want to add this article on the website, we will choose mobile. You can choose and submit. Image we need to put. Once it is submitted, this came. Okay. Similarly, we have a blog. No, same thing. It is there. We can hide the blog. We can put a website or mobile. All those stuff are. So both are almost similar functionality. Runner's corner still we haven't have a discussion what kind of things will be coming. We don't.
One second. Go back. Go back to blogs.
Yeah.
And there is no difference whatsoever between this and articles.
This form, it's almost similar.
Now, typically blogs will have this commenting, liking, sharing.
That we can.
That's not it.
No, it is there in an article. It is there in an article.
Oh, it's okay.
It is there in an article. We
it's
have
not
a
there in blogs, is it?
Not in a blog. Blog is something you want to share information.
Can people comment on articles?
Article comments, I think they can share. Comments is not there. If you want, I can integrate.
Okay. I'll just make a note of that. Okay.
So again, I'm repeating. Maybe you will irritate this word, but this is my duty. I need to tell you. Article, blog, runners corner. No discussion was happened.
No, that's okay. I am not looking for whether it was done rightly or not. So I'm just my personal focus right now is to see where we are now and where we need to go, how much effort it is. Okay, ji. Move forward, please.
Okay.
Yes.
So event I told it is almost similar of the activity. I will not fill any data because I know once I will fill, it will throw the error. So I'm not filling any data. I'm just showing you as a normal form. So here you have a free event, you have a paid event. Okay. Event name you can put, event type you can select whatever you want. And event detail you can put from date, to date, start time, end time, images upload, event mode, what kind of image mode you have, live hai, online hai, or ground hai, that you can choose, certificate if you want to give. By default template, event type template, it will be there, or if something other template you want to add, you can select from here. If there is a paid, then this section will come. If it is a free, I'm not sure. It is not. This section will not come. Okay.
Okay.
Then event visibility by location, means country, state, and city. Geolocation, it is optional. If you want to put some geolocation URL, you can put that. And if you put any number here, it will be limited for that participant. If you keep blank, it is for unlimited participant. Okay. And even venue details, suppose in case you are not putting a geolocation, you just kept it this and you want to put a address, you can keep an address here also. Okay.
Okay.
And if you want to put this event on a website and mobile, you can just check it and submit. Your event will be created.
Gotcha.
So here you can't save event template. That concept is not. If you want to create create an event, you need to create always new. You can't use another event as a similar copy. Always you need to do it.
But if there is an event, old event, can I copy and recreate that?
No, that is the thing. If you want, then I need to keep a template part again.
Got you. Okay, go back to that screen now where events are created. Any test events are there?
No. But that list and all that part is not ready actually.
This is so this if you submit this is not saving, right?
It will right now it will not save because this only UI is ready. Development was not.
Oh, okay.
Okay.
Got you.
Now I'm coming on the communication part, email template. So we have a
one moment. Yeah, go ahead.
So we have a communication, so many menus. You can match your menu list also based on that. All menus are there, and few extra menu is also added. So email template, we have SMS template. SMS template we haven't worked. Announcement we haven't worked. Chat setting. Chat setting I think I showed. No, chat setting is not. Okay. That chat setting comes here. So that is a wrong. There is a chart setting you saw, right? So it will come here basically. So that it will be moved on the communication part. Okay. Wishes. Yeah. So I'm coming on the wishes part. I'm just removing this one. Also add wish. I'm keeping a happy birthday. Happy. And whatever the predefined string I'm keeping, if I kept it, submit. It is creating this issue is fixed, but I think it is not shown.
So there is no rule what is going to trigger this. How are we defining?
Which one?
For wishes.
Rule is there. Only for the chats you can use the switches. Other than that, it will be not.
But what is triggering this?
Based on the user's date of birth.
Correct. वो कहाँ पे है? कहाँ
वो
पे यहाँ
एसपी
पे?
में होगा, यहाँ पे नहीं होगा. वो हमेशा एसपी में, वो बैकएंड में.
So in the backend, you will choose that on these triggers, you pick this wish name
हाँ,
titled this.
वो बेसिकली अभी क्योंकि हमारा
Hard code
चैट,
होगा.
हाँ चैट अभी हमारा बना नहीं था, इसलिए वो वाला पार्ट रेडी क्या, उस पर काम भी स्टार्ट नहीं हुआ. ये था कि यहाँ से आप कॉन्फ़िगर कर सकते हो, इसमें अभी दिख नहीं रहा है. अगर मैं दूसरे बंदे को ऐड करूँ तो शायद वो आपको दिखा दे, बट यहाँ पे आई डोंट नो. एक सेकंड, मैं एक बार लॉग आउट करके देखूँ शायद हो जाए. कभी कभी ये ले लेता है. एक्चुअली एक इशू मैंने इसमें क्या फाइंड किया था कि अगर किसी और लिंक पे क्लिक कर देता है, देन विशेस पे आता है तो वो ऐड नहीं करता. Might be that is the issue.
Okay, so we may want to think. Anyways, I'll this I know. I mean, if we have to proceed, what needs to be done.
तो भाई इसका टेक्निकल डॉक्यूमेंट है, वहाँ पे पूरा स्क्रीन्स भी है. तो यहाँ पे है कि आप रिमूव कर सकते हैं, अपडेट कर सकते हैं और ऐड कर सकते हैं, तीनों चीजें कर सकते हो. वो टाइल्स में आएगा. ठीक है. Now I'm coming on this part, that's FAQ part. तो हर एक का FAQ ये लोग अभी टेस्ट डेटा डाला है. फॉर एग्जांपल ये मैंने एंट्री किया हुआ था, व्हाट इज अ प्रोग्राम, एंड यहाँ पे टॉपिक आपको ट्रेनिंग प्रोग्राम, एंड यू कैन फिल्टर FAQ based on that it will be. So right now we have only one. If you want to add, there is a old FAQ topic which is whatever available on the website, and new FAQ. So old FAQ topic always drop down will be coming if more than one. If it is not, then you need to add. For example, test. I'm keeping a test and something like that I added. So we have a here list, and if suppose I am keeping this one on filter. So it will be filtered. If I select this one, it will come. So here a few things are not ready on that. Now it is they are working on that. Edit and view and update and delete is not there. Suppose I want to remove, I can't remove right now, but this feature they are working on that.
Now tell me something. There is nothing called knowledge management module here, right?
For example?
Like for example, you are say assistant coach. Okay. Now, coach will have a lot of his content updated and he wants to share it only with assistant coaches and captains.
No, this kind of things are not.
Okay, so captains or assistant coaches can go to the knowledge management area and search calf muscle injury prevention.
Maybe you can put on the runner's corner. Maybe.
No. So this is internal.
Then we can put on the Onka bytes.
Okay. Yeah, no. So I wanted to know. Currently, there's nothing like that.
Currently it is not.
Okay.
Now I'm coming on the results. That leaderboard list. So what we have a discussion over rank, group rank, gender rank, all those stuff are there. These and all, it's not implemented.
This is only UI, is it?
No, few things is there like me check. I'm just keeping this one. This is only you. Basic things are implemented, but update and all it is not implemented. Add timing. So this add timing is also there. Okay, but few things are, I think I'm saying there is a issue. Multiple of my name it is. There is some issue. We need
you are running faster than Ajay.
Okay, and that filter and all. I think.
I remember discussing. So generate e-certificate is working or is just
no, it is not working.
Placeholder.
Yeah, it is not working because we haven't certificate template and also we haven't worked.
Okay.
Yeah, that we need to work.
How complex is this e-certificate?
I'm not sure.
Do you understand the requirement?
I understand requirement. Once you see here, see, if you do a generate e-certificate, once you click on that, then it will goes to all people. It will goes to all people from here. That was the requirement. And if you click on from here.
Okay, ठीक है. No, this will be little different.
हाँ. नहीं, अब अपना जो लास्ट डिस्कशन हुआ था कि अगर यहाँ से हम जनरेट करेंगे, मैंने बताया अभी तक, तो वो सबको चला जाएगा एक साथ में. और अगर किसी को जिसको गया है उसका मेल सक्सेस हुआ है तो वो यहाँ पे आजा ग्रीन टिक आएगा. किसी का फेल हो गया तो और या किसी ने कहा कि नहीं मुझे नहीं मिला है, उस केस में यहाँ पे जनरेट या फिर यहाँ पे आप जा करके 2-3 चेक करो और देन जनरेट करो तो उस पर्टिकुलर सेलेक्टेड पर्सन को ही जाएगा. तो रिक्वायरमेंट मुझे पता है क्या करना है.
Okay, so e-certificate creation का requirement नहीं आया ना?
क्रिएशन का रिक्वायरमेंट नहीं है.
Got you.
वो रिक्वायरमेंट नहीं आया था.
That would be primary to this. Anyways, okay.
ठीक है. Then race, add race and all, it was there. Naveen, again I'm telling, maybe so many things are not working. So this code is big. Don't worry about that.
That's okay.
From the database. Okay, auto non-editable duration also it is there.
So we have discussed settings till now.
This added. Okay. Go back. Just now I added this test. So this is working. If you want to remove, you can remove.
Click on view and update. Click view and update.
I'm just removing this one. Submit. So current date.
Oh, good.
It is updated. So that thorough testing I need to do because I know there is some issues also in this. But at least we can say like 80-90% this work is done. Okay. So now I'm coming on the activity leaderboard and there is nothing. There is a list only. And and you can filter definitely it was is implemented. So this part is also ready.
One moment. Okay. This is test data you've entered in the backend, is it?
Yes.
Okay.
Few of the test data and few of the we have a data backup which we took in October, November time. Another. Okay.
Okay.
So now PubMark.
Wait, okay. So we've discussed settings module, events module, leaderboard module, communication module, Onka Bytes module, and that's it, no?
Communication, event, Onka Bytes, settings. Yeah. Leaderboard.
Correct.
So now we are in a finance. So the finance, we have a user email ID. You can select anyone. Based on that, the data will be coming. This is optional. Whatever the credit value, we need to keep, suppose 100.
This is a PubMark statement.
Yes. Add PubMark. PubMark add. Inside the PubMark statement, there is an add PubMark.
Okay.
If you go back, you can see the statement here.
And where's the add button?
Oh, it is redirecting wrongly. It is come wrongly redirected. यहाँ पे PubMark statement आएगा और यहाँ से आप ऐड कर सकते हो. ये back गलत जगह पे जाएगा.
हाँ, correct.
ठीक है.
So this what the actual screen we are looking at is PubMark request now.
ये आप मतलब मेन्यू आप बता सकते हैं कि मुझे भी थोड़ा कंफ्यूजन हो रहा था कि PubMark रिक्वेस्ट में ये ऐड PubMark आएगा या PubMark स्टेटमेंट में आएगा. ये थोड़ा कंफ्यूजन हम लोगों को शुरू से था. ये आप अगर बोलोगे तो इसको मूव कर देंगे इसके अंदर एक बैक.
For now not needed. I'll just make a note of it so that we don't forget we revisit this at a later date.
So here buddy referral based on Navya requirement, kept it email ID and all. Buddy location, find buddy detail. Connected. Now submit. So this activity should be greater than 3 months. So duration is 0. Again, I will go, and there is nothing. There is no 3 months program, so I will not able to add.
Yeah, so a lot of stuff in PubMarks may change.
So we can't submit. Now, if I want to change the discount, so there is no details are there because any data we don't have. We don't have a data. She implemented only one part, I think. Implemented only buddy because there is a lots of business logic also. So suppose cancellation or withdrawal, for which activity you need to choose, and you need to keep some comments and then submit. It will be added. That manage that part is not ready. We can't say.
No, a lot of thing around PubMark may change, so it's okay.
Yeah,
we can move forward. Go to request. Now this is a statement. Fair enough.
So now I'm coming on the PubMark request page where list we have, and we have a lots of data here. You remember I told like scrolling is not possible, so we changed the complete table, and we given a flexibility to you can select a particular column. Suppose I deselected and kept it to 2-3 columns only.
Gotcha.
So whatever the information you want to see, you can select here, and you can by default if you select, then select all.
Okay.
Now this kind of table will be reflect everywhere, whatever the implementation. So we will keep only one table everywhere. Now I'm coming on the promo code. There is some issue. They are working on it. So that I will tell you. Okay, so that promo code business validation promo code technical document is also there. Value validation expiry. There is only new sign up. It is only for the new sign up. It is a registered user, so they can select a training location, training, and activity. Based on that, if this is for the old program runner or not, you can choose all three. If there is only interested user, this too you don't have any option, but this registered user you have an option. And if you want to hide a promo code, you can hide it. And again, similar logic. If nothing is there, it is for unlimited user. If you keep a 10, only for 10 user, they can use this promo code. Okay.
Okay.
So now user type. You can put a user type, for example, transgender. I kept it 5% optional. So it is came. Update, suspend, or remove. Okay, so this will directly reflect on the registration.
Okay.
Activity. So this is the activity table. Some dummy data.
Activity data was not working, no?
It's still not working. It is still not working. Means measure of the development work is done, but there is I think code conflict because this guy is not longer. We need to fix it.
Okay.
This form is ready. What is not ready here? Registration template. This registration template is found. It is not discussed, and you can't able to prove it.
Okay.
Rest part you can do. AOD schedule, that part, that UI also ready, and create AOD. This part is also ready. So only the thing is all three are synced. So once everything is ready, then I can show you. Otherwise, right now there's no
so the dev is done, but there are bugs, you're saying?
Dev is done, coding is done, but there is an issue. While submitting, I will get error. So here functionality is once you fill this, then this two item you can able to fill. Otherwise, you can't enter anything.
And in this, we haven't ever discussed about AOD templates, right?
No, that activity and AOD, I have a discussion with PR. So based on that discussion,
okay,
that development was happened.
No, I'm seeing this button, new AOD from template on top right hand corner.
हाँ, यहाँ से आप template choose कर सकते हो.
Perfect.
यहाँ पे choose करोगे तो उसका पूरा data fill होकर के आएगा.
Where are you adding these templates?
ये template आपका यहाँ मिलेगा.
Okay.
तो यहाँ पे आपको ऑप्शन है, आप यहाँ से चूज कर सकते हो. ठीक है, और यहाँ से आप डायरेक्टली जंप भी कर सकते हो. सपोज आप एक्टिविटी में और यूज टेम्पलेट करोगे तो इट इज डायरेक्टली जंप टू दैट पर्टिकुलर फॉर्म, एंड वहां पे जाके थोड़ा बहुत जो चेंज करना है करके मतलब आप लॉन्च कर सकते हो. तो ये जरूरी नहीं कि आप यहाँ पे यूज टेम्पलेट किए और उसके बाद जाकर आपको आएगा. अभी मैं एक चीज शायद भूल गया. कम्युनिकेशन हम लोगों ने ईमेल टेम्पलेट हम लोग डिस्कस नहीं किया, राइट? तो यहाँ पे क्या है कि आपका ये ईमेल टेम्पलेट जो है एक्टिविटी नोटिफिकेशन, रजिस्ट्रेशन टेम्पलेट, रिमाइंडर टेम्पलेट एंड अदर टेम्पलेट. तो द एक्टिविटी नोटिफिकेशन वो है जो जैसे आपने प्रोग्राम परचेस किया और वो मेल जो जाता है वो है एक्टिविटी स्टार्ट एंड एक्टिविटी एंड. तो ये है, आप उसको व्यू एंड अपडेट कर सकते हैं.
These user journey milestones you have updated somewhere.
Which one?
So TWK start activity, TWK end activity, TWK raise day. So all these email notifications and templates is mapped to any timeline or milestone.
नहीं, अभी नहीं. अभी इसका बहुत सारा टेम्पलेट का डिस्कशन हुआ भी नहीं है। तो जो मेरे दिमाग में था कि एटलीस्ट पहले आप टेम्पलेट यहाँ पे डाल दो और उसको एटलीस्ट एक्टिविटी से बाइंड करवा दो, सो दैट कि आप वहां से सेलेक्ट कर सकते हो। तो अभी अभी हम लोग बस उसी फेज में हैं। बाकी और कोई टाइमलाइन वगैरह का कोई डिस्कशन नहीं हुआ, तो इसलिए वो मेरे दिमाग में भी नहीं है, उसका आइडिया भी नहीं है। ठीक है। तो रजिस्ट्रेशन टेम्पलेट, रजिस्ट्रेशन इसमें दो तरह का आएगा, रजिस्ट्रेशन सक्सेस एंड रजिस्ट्रेशन फेल। टू टाइप ऑफ टेम्पलेट विल कम। रिमाइंडर टेम्पलेट एओटी रिमाइंडर के लिए है सिर्फ, क्योंकि रिमाइंडर सिर्फ उसमें जाता है। एंड अदर टेम्पलेट आई केप्ट इट इफ somebody want to make it a new some other template. So यहाँ पे ये सारे टेम्पलेट ऑलरेडी हैं, तो उसके भी आएगा। So I'm just updating start email. यहाँ पे अपडेट कर लो। तो इसमें क्रिएट एंड अपडेट चल रहा है। रजिस्ट्रेशन हम लोगों ने बनाया नहीं था अभी। लेट्स क्रिएट। So you can see the data here. ठीक है।
Keep going on.
Naveen?
Yep.
So I showed you. Means I created a new
want to be there.
email template.
1 minute, Deepak, hold on.
I want to be in one call with respect to the provider. So landing.
We already discussed.
So how is it currently? I don't know how she was given.
We've discussed. I'll give you an update.
You know how to do. I don't know, right? I'm not ready to show me. No, it's a part online. I can't show it to you. You're able to see them. You are able to
Live design I can show. Yeah. Go ahead, Deepak.
तो अभी मैंने वो रजिस्ट्रेशन टेम्पलेट ऐड करके दिखाया। यहाँ पे मैंने 3 बटन डाला। दैट इज माई आइडिया। व्यू एंड अपडेट यू कैन डू, यू विल रिमूव यू कैन डू, यू कैन यूज ईमेल टेम्पलेट। सो आप जब यहाँ पे क्लिक करोगे तो आप यहाँ से एक्टिविटी सेलेक्ट करो एंड पर्टिकुलर एक्टिविटी, सपोज मैंने वर्चुअल रन को यूज करना है तो मैं इस पर क्लिक करूंगा एंड असाइन टेम्पलेट। तो ये ऑटोमेटिकली उस टेम्पलेट में असाइन हो जाएगा। आपको वहां जाकर के दोबारा सेलेक्ट करने की जरूरत नहीं पड़ेगी, बाय डिफॉल्ट वहां पे। तो ये एक मेरा मतलब क्रिएटिविटी का लो या मेरा लॉजिक था, मैंने वो डाल दिया। अगर नहीं चाहिए तो आप बोल देना, मैं हटा दूंगा।
No, it's good for now.
मतलब
there may be more than just the events, no, or the programs or activities. There will be many more triggers that we need to plan for, which I will maybe discuss going forward.
Okay. ठीक है। तो मैंने ये दिखाया आपको ईमेल टेम्पलेट वाला पार्ट। एक्टिविटी हमारा ऑलमोस्ट ग्रुप में चलता है। ग्रुप रेडी नहीं है, ग्रुप सेट सब रेडी है, इसलिए ग्रुप में बहुत ज्यादा लॉजिक है। वो बंदा अभी भी रहा है, वो है। आई कांट शो यू दिस। मतलब ये रेडी नहीं है, मैं फ्रैंकली बोल रहा हूँ।
Okay.
मैं इतना ज्यादा बिजनेस लॉजिक है कि वो बंदा बीच में ब्रेक ले लिया। ठीक है, रोल्स पे आते हैं।
One moment, go back to your activity menu. 1 second. Feedback template we haven't seen.
Okay. Also, feedback template is nothing. It's whatever we are keeping a ratings. And add feedback template, you can choose a template name. For example, test, rating option, name. Yes, we'll keep a. If I want, I can keep. Otherwise, I think this is not mandatory.
This also needs some changes. So if I want to add a custom question in the feedback, I'll be able to do right now.
No, this is only for the emoji kind of stuff.
Come again.
This is only for the emoji related stuff.
NOC.
Emoji. If you want, then I can modify, because we are in that stage. We can do. If you want to put a feedback template as a question, then we can put a separate thing also.
Click on add feedback template. Let's see.
अभी ऐड नहीं हो रहा, मैंने चेक किया, ऐड नहीं हो रहा है.
No worries. Fields देखने थे.
Beyond update में फिर आपका हाँ ये कंप्लीट नहीं हुआ, शायद नहीं हुआ, नॉर्मल स्टैटिक कैटेगरी. रोल पे मूव करें. एक सेकंड में.
Sure.
Yeah, Naveen. Can I move on role?
Yeah.
तो यहाँ पे रोल जो है वो आपको दिखेगा. ऑन का रूट का रोल नहीं दिखेगा. डेटा गलत आ रहा है. आप जब भी ऐड न्यू मेंबर करेंगे.
So role is now showing all the users. Is that what it is doing?
नहीं, एक सेकंड दिखा रहा हूँ. So now I logged in as a root. यहाँ पे न्यू मेंबर किया. नहीं करने दे रहा, मींस बग गया.
Okay, no worries. Go back.
ठीक है, मैं UI दिखा देता हूँ एटलीस्ट. तो यहाँ पे एडमिन से रिलेटेड, एडमिन को कितने रोल्स मिले हुए हैं. आइकन्स में ओनली 4 आएंगे, बट यहाँ पे नंबर आएगा टिल 10 नंबर आएगा. 10 के बाद अगर ज्यादा है, 10 से ज्यादा किसी को एक्सेस है तो 10 प्लस मेंबर्स आएगा. ठीक है. और इसमें एक काम और बचा हुआ था कि अगर once you click on that particular admin, how many person have a role, you can see. You can suspend and you can remove also. Okay. Similarly, finance. If you go
so otherwise, without selection, it's going to all users, is it?
Without selection, you can see all users. You can remove, you can suspend, you can view and update.
And where are we defining roles?
We are defining here only.
Roles and permissions are defined here.
Yeah. Here, add new member, and here roles you can select.
No. So this values, right? Provider admin, provider coach, activity admin, location lead. Where have you defined these roles and permissions?
Database.
DB level.
DB level.
Okay.
At 201 you are talking or what?
Huh?
code you're talking about or what?
Not the code. So if I need configuration, basically configuration screen
for example,
roles.
Navya have a provider admin. Okay. She doesn't have on-car route. So once I will log in, she can only use this provider admin. There's no drop down for her. Okay. But in case I'm not sure my email ID is working or not. For Lakshmi's, we have two routes. One is Anka, another is Jayanagar Jaguar. So once you click on the Jayanagar Jaguar, automatically by default the higher role it will be activated, and he can switch anytime.
Okay.
तो ये डिफरेंस है. बट नव्या को नहीं है. नव्या सिर्फ एक ही, अगर उसको एक रोल असाइन है तो वो एक ही उसको एक ही स्क्रीन दिखेगा, उससे ज्यादा नहीं दिखेगा. बेसिकली रोल के बेसिस पे हम लोग पूरा का पूरा एक्सेस डिफाइन कर रहे हैं.
That's what the definition is happening in the backend.
हाँ, जो मतलब डेफिनेशन है. ठीक है. For example, I am removing this role. It will be removed, and it is not. ठीक है. इसका बहुत सारा पार्ट डिस्कस नहीं हुआ, जैसे एनालिटिक्स है और ये सारी चीजें वो डिस्कस नहीं हुआ. तो जो डिस्कस नहीं हुआ, जो मेरे मैं नई पिकअप ले रहा था, मैंने टच नहीं किया.
Okay, so let's stop here. What I want to show you is how I have captured today's meeting. Okay. But before that, I'll place you on mute.
Stop recording also?
No. Hold on. You can record, but I'll come back in a minute.
Okay.
Deepak, I'm back. So what I was trying to do, as you were sharing and discussing and sharing the updates, I was capturing in this manner. So when I go back before the recording comes, I'm able to give some updates. Okay, these are some of your project progress. So just to validate whether this is, I'll not zoom it. I'll not put it on PPT mode because I'll modify as we speak.
So
unique ID, when I'm saying UI,
development is done. UI and development.
UI and UI plus dev. I'll put it as this green. Okay. And क्या हो रहा है? Okay. So in this UI is green, activity type, but it is buggy, right?
Code is, development is also ready, but few fixes.
Okay. Distance UI plus dev complete.
Complete.
Chat settings UI complete, but it's not working. Is it bugs or dev pending?
No. There is a bug. There is a bug.
Training location UI
This is
plus dev. Predefined strings UI plus dev. Activity type UI ready, dev ready.
This is query. This is query. UI and backend that webs integrated with the website also.
UI plus dev done, needs change only for web and app, not for email. For articles, UI plus dev done. For blogs, UI plus dev done, needs changes, commenting, liking, and sharing. Article events
only UI pending. UI done. Dev pending.
Done, dev pending. Email templates, UI plus dev done. Dev is also done, right?
Yes. Dev is
No.
also.
Some
Dev
parts
is
are pending. Requirements are pending for templates, huh?
नहीं इसमें एक्टिविटी रजिस्ट्रेशन कंप्लीट हो गया रिमाइंडर टेम्पलेट other template I don't know I given a extra so that you need to tell either required or not
ठीक है तो ऐसे ही रखता हूँ मैं birthday wishes UI done
dev is also done
but there
issue
are
fixes
bugs.
is also done that is also done we need to like
submit नहीं हो रहा था ना
नहीं अभी मेरे बंदे लोग फिक्स कर चुके हैं मेरे पास कोड नहीं आया इसका इशू फिक्स हो गया
okay so I will put it as bugs till it is visible at your end.
Okay.
FAQs UI dev pending.
No there is no bug no? There is no bug.
No, dev is pending, right?
Dev is also done.
Dev is also done. Sorry. And on
this one dev is pending. Yes.
Dev is pending. E-generation not ready. Race UI done. Testing pending, right? UI plus dev done. Testing is pending,
Testing
right?
is pending.
Hello. I don't think. Workout leaderboard is UI plus dev.
Yes.
Pugmark statement.
Dev is also pending. You can keep it because only one part is done. Dev in progress. Just keep it.
And same here.
Here only the redirection related. Development is already done.
Your requirements will not change. Promo code UI done, dev pending, right?
It is in progress. Dev in progress.
User type UI plus dev done. New activity UI plus dev done has some bugs. Correct?
Yes. No, only UI.
Template.
Only UI is done. Dev is pending.
They're pending. UI plus dev done for roles.
This is not a role. This is a feedback template.
Feedback template, sorry. UI plus dev done. Requirements may change. We'll get back to you on that. For role is
UI plus dev done, bug fixes.
that's all for now we've discussed. And though my notes were not fully complete, anyways, I've made some updates here. We've discussed settings, event, leaderboards, communication, oncobytes, finance, activity, role. And then one thing we said was you'll map all the wireframe URLs in the UI UX sheets to the project progress tracker. Knowledge management module, no knowledge management module in the requirements. E-certificate creation requirement is pending. Group under activity menu is not ready. Actually, this I don't need to mention that, a lot of other things. Okay. What else requirement I had? For these are for my notes. And one more thing, some template, not template. Let me see what it was.
And one more thing, that is website setting. That is completely on my part. So it was not started because until this things is not ready, we will not move on that part.
That you put it in the plan, okay, not the plan, the project tracker. That you put it there. And share the project tracker with me, nothing else for now. So,
as it is, or
once
I need to keep a
share
URL.
as it is for now. ये Google Sheet है कि ये file है?
Sorry?
It's a local file or a Google Sheet?
No, local file.
Local file. It's updated on Google Sheet. Share that with me. That way, whatever you update.
नहीं, अभी के लिए मैं आपको भेज देता हूँ. उसमें जब URL वगैरह डाल देंगे तो
ठीक है. Once it's a Google Sheet, you share the Google Sheet URL with me.
ठीक है.
You know.
And just mention like project progress tracker till December, not current one. December 2020.
और क्या था यार? There was one more thing I wanted to make a note and I forgot. ID में था. ठीक है, I'll review this myself and I'll send it. I don't need to have you on the call for that.
Okay. I'm stop recording.
Yes.